All right, let's knock this out. So a lot of people like to use Road Warrior as like a strip wash, which will remove all your protection, or pre-soak. So to do a pre-soak, it basically takes the top layer of a lot of the contaminants, kind of road grime that sticks to your car before you actually come through and wash it with a wash mitt. Also, in the dead of winter, where you got a lot of rocks and salt and stuff stuck to your car, you can use this as almost a touchless wash. So that's what we're gonna do today. Foam this Tesla down, and we'll just basically rinse it right off. So if you foam this on, you can usually just let this dwell for 30 seconds to a minute, depending on your weather and conditions. If you're in the sun, probably a lot less. If you're inside, you could do a little bit longer. Road Warrior. So 4 to 1, I'm gonna knock out this wheel right here. Slip this down.